paper-based processes are a huge liability for mission-critical plant maintenance operations on offshore drilling rigs and other disconnected environments. It's difficult to run SAP in the middle of the ocean, and it's difficult to stay compliant without fully leveraging SAP. But if SAP plant maintenance won't run in the middle of the ocean, how do you leverage your SAP investment to stay compliant? Our oil and gas customers have already adopted Liquid UI Offline for Android to drive innovation, stay compliant, and streamline operations within their SAP plant maintenance, even as they're thousands of miles disconnected from their SAP instance. So how's it work? The Liquid UI's offline technology has the power to miniaturize any SAP ERP and put it securely on an Android device. Core SAP operational logic and business datasets are preserved. Using a simple push-button interface, their device downloads all applicable data for that day's work. Once the sync is complete, the user takes their device with them to the disconnected field environment in order to perform the maintenance work. Now offline, the user simply selects a notification in order to pull up all relevant work details on their device. Work which is performed is documented in real time, eliminating errors associated with paper documentation. When the user's work is complete, they will return to a connected environment, and with a push of a button, their device will simply send all data generated over the course of the day into SAP. This allows end users to access online mimetic SAP functionality, like drill-down access to the information they need to make crucial maintenance decisions. And with best-in-class error handling, conflict resolution, and data synchronization, when business data is sent to the SAP backend, it is error-free and available for analysis in a timely manner. Native access to device hardware and sensors, in combination with adaptive, role-based screens, boost end-user productivity and compliance. A catalog of pre-baked, field-tested applications are ready for use off the shelf, so Liquid UI is ready to serve the needs of SAP customers who depend on critical ERP functionality in the hardest, most disconnected places. Get in touch today to learn more about how Liquid UI can support your needs for offline access to SAP ERP.